Hello and welcome to the Concept Nova Talk Room, the show that opens our eyes to the under-discussed topics that unavoidably make or mar our daily operations as businesses or individuals. Catch the intricate interviews, true life stories from the horse's mouth, personal experiences, commentaries from industry experts. I am Daniel and welcome again to another episode of Concept Nova Talk Room. In today's episode, we'll be looking at car maintenance 101. We'll be discussing essential tips to keep your vehicle running smoothly and ensuring its longevity. Before we get started, I would like to introduce our sponsor, Concept Nova. Concept Nova provides smart and cost-saving solutions in the areas of asset management, theft prevention, and remote monitoring or tracking. Now let's jump right into it. So I would love to begin this episode by stating the fact that regular maintenance is key to extending your car's lifespan. One common mistake people make is neglecting routine maintenance. Simple tasks like changing the oil, checking the brakes, and inspecting the cars, your tires can prevent major problems down the road. Speaking of oil changes, let's hear a true life story from Chiemere. Chiemere, welcome to our show.
Hi Daniel, thank you so much for having me here. Well, I used to neglect oil changes, thinking it was unnecessary expense. But one day, my engine seized up due to lack of lubrication. It cost me like a small fortune to repair. Lesson learned.
There you have it, a true life story. So before we go on, I want us to discuss something. You could drop your opinion in the comments. So I want to ask, when it comes to maintenance, should you do it yourself or seek professional help? Well, do-it-yourself maintenance is great for small tasks, but for more complex issues, it's best to consult a professional. They have the experience and tools to diagnose and fix problems accurately. So here's another real life story about the importance of staying on top of your vehicle's health. And this was shared from one of our listeners, Mr. Benga. Mr. Benga says, I was on the road trip when my car broke down in the middle of nowhere. I wished I had paid more attention to my car maintenance. It could have saved me from this ordeal. Well, there you have it. You cannot have two life stories and still fall victim for the same situation. So I'm going to share some practical do-it-yourself maintenance tips that will help you daily. So firstly, regular check and top fluids. So you need to top up your oil, coolant, and brake fluids. Secondly, you should inspect your tires for wear and tear. Thirdly, change the air filter when it is dirty. Then lastly, keep an eye on your brakes and replace the pad when necessary. So to find a trustworthy mechanic for tasks beyond do-it-yourself maintenance, you can ask for recommendations from friends and read reviews. Choose a mechanic with proper certification and make sure they provide written estimates and warranties for their work. That wraps up today's episode of Car Maintenance 101. We have explored the world of car maintenance, discussed the benefits of regular maintenance, and shared real-life stories to drive the point home. Remember, a well-maintained car is a happy car. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to check out Concept Nova's solution for a hassle-free car maintenance experience. Stay safe on the road, and we'll catch you in the next episode of Concept Nova Talk Room. Bye.